Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cathy. Before I show you my room tour, I would just like to thank Oliver for collaborating with me. They were kind enough to send me some of their products from their website. This is the first thing that they sent me. It is a pack of 6 hand creams. I'm going to open them and then show you some of the lotions. Look how cute that is. The lotion smells super nice and it's super soft. It makes my skin very soft. They sent me this eye mask, these golden eye masks, and I'm really excited to try these. It replenishes your skin and it also gives you lots of moisture. Hey guys, since I didn't have any time to film me trying the products before, I thought I'd add a video of me trying one of the products. I was really excited to try the magnetic mask, so that is what I'll be doing right now. It just picks it up. This mud mask works so well. I give this a 10 out of 10. I really recommend getting this for yourself because this just my skin feels super nice. I will link everything down below, so make sure you go check it out and get this mask for yourself. Hi! Welcome to my bedroom. In the corner of my room, I have this body length mirror that I recently got, and I put ivy vines around its frame. Behind me is a hanging plant that I got. It's super cute. I got it from Chuck Market. And then here is a little clothes rack. These are just some of the clothes that I find really cute. I kind of went with a pastel theme. Below are some of my shoes. That's my basketball shoes. That's my Jordans, and those are my Converse. Across from my clothes rack is my little vanity. Here's my nice little mirror, and I've put vines all across this wall. And then on my vanity, I just have my basic things like my brush, and then some perfume, the hand creams that I got, thank you, and then just my other makeup stuff and more perfume and jewelry. And then right here is just some tripods that I use to film, and then some schedules and boards, and then that's my ukulele, and that's my Galaxy projector. And then over here is my lamp and just my bedside table, where I just have my basic things. Carmex, of course, a necessity. And then my little cute rocks. Behind me is my beds, my comfy beds. Yeah, there's not much to say about that. And if you follow me over here, as you can see, I have my LED lights on. So I just put them up over here. So that's why I have the wires there. Over here are my closets. I have 3 closets. And then on this closet, there are 2 mirrors, body length mirrors. Behind me is my photo collage wall of pictures of me and my friends and my family, and just cute little photos and memories. Over here I have my window that looks out into my yard, and below my window I have my desk where I do my online school and my editing and just art, where I do whatever I'd like. On the window I have these 3D butterflies, which are super cute, and then nice little notes and reminders and future video plans. And then here are some of my stationery. I'm obsessed with stationery, as you can see. And then over here is kind of my little messy corner. I just have a bunch of books over here. That's a picture of my best friend that moved to Spain, and she just gave me a picture of her to remember her. And then some of my school books. And then this is, I don't know what this is called. This is a diffuser, so it just makes my room smell nice. My speaker, a picture of me and my dad when I was little. Some shells, books I'm currently reading, and then a nice little coconut. Here's my bathroom. It's kind of clustered, but I have a lot of skincare things, as you can see. Yeah, and then my shower is right over here. Above me is a bunch of vines that I hung up. My parents say that it looks like a jungle, but I find them super cute, and especially at nighttime because they look super aesthetic with my galaxy projector. So I'll show you a little tour of my bedroom at nighttime. Today helping me film my video is Lucy. She is one of my friends. She's also half Vietnamese. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I recently redecorated my room and got a bunch of things such as the mirror and the clothes rack, so I was excited to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you. I'll see you in another upload. Bye guys!